Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $1.8630, okay, and a low of around 1.6, which is from there we have seen a swing has formed. It is continuously upside to a level of 2.0576, and from there again a swing has formed, made a low of around $1.8, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, now it is trading at a level of $1.8630 and a U pattern is forming. Now if you look at this particular trend, there is a sharp fall we have seen. As you can see looking at this, there is a red candle is forming, so chances can be high a further downfall we can see if the price fall below a level of $1.8078. Okay, and then there will be a big pattern forming, so chances of that this particular pattern is supporting that if the price fall below level of 1.8, further fall we can see. If you look at the trend after pandemic, what we have seen, there is 4-5 patterns was formed and which was similar, that whenever it is making high, a fall was coming. Okay, and then after sixth time we have seen there is a continuous fall, and it was after that it was moving in a zone of $3 and $2, which I keep explaining in my videos. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index also, you will see that dollar index also is going further down. So if the price fall below a level of $102.5, a further fall we can see in the dollar index, which will in turn increase the price of natural gas because they are inversely related. But if the price started sustaining our level of 104.5, then a further upside movement we can see in the price of dollar index. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind that if the price started falling below $102.5, a further fall we can see in the price of natural gas. And if the price started moving over level of 104.5, a further upside we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, you have to understand that natural gas and dollar index are inversely related. Okay, so if the price fall below a level of natural gas, we can see then that if the price dollar index fall, then a natural gas price will rise and vice versa. Okay, now look at this particular trend. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Suppose this is already at a strong support of $1.8770. So if the price bounce back from that level, we will see it will go towards a level of around 1.8770, and if the price sustain above that level, we will see a level of 1.8972. Once the price started sustaining of that particular level, we will see a level of $1.9141, and from there a probability of touching $2. Keep that in mind that once the price started sustaining over $2, a probability of touching a level of around 2.0276 will be there, and from there a level of 2.0889. If the price keep moving over that particular level, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $2.127, and from there a probability of going toward $2.257. If the price keeps sustaining at $2.25, then we will see it will go towards a level of 2.3, and from there a level of around 2.5, because it will move in a zone of $3 and $2, which was moving for so long. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, so once the price started sustaining at 2.5 to a level of 2.7 and then to a level of 2.9. Okay, and if the price keep moving over level of 2.9, then we will see it will go towards a level of 3, and after 3 we can see there will be a further upside movement in the price of natural gas. Always try to set your SL, it will save your capital, and always try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you have to do, because if you are doing these two things, you have to, because see, it is your capital, so you have to sustain, you have to put your SL because it is your capital. And news comes and go, they are always manipulated, so always try to set your SL and always try to trail your SL. So if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $1.8036 to a level of 1.70, and as soon as the price started falling below that level, a probability of touching a level of 1.7158 will be there, and from there a probability of going towards a level of $1.7. Okay, if the price started falling below 1.7, then a probability of going towards 1.6827 will be there, and from there a probability of going below a level of $1.68 to a level of around 1.6414, because this bigger pattern will support towards a downtrend, and then from there it will move below a level of $1.6040. As soon as the price started falling below that level, it will come in this particular zone, and chances of going towards a level of 1.5 80 will be there, and from there a probability of touching 1.7700, 1.780. And if the price started moving below that level, a chance of touching 1.5418 will be there, and then it will move below a level all time low. Okay, as soon as the price started falling below all time low, we will see it will move below a level of $1.5, and see if the price comes close to a level of 1.6, it will, the chances are very high it will move further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So